I'm going to go over a couple other things that need to get replaced. If you look at the seat belt, you can see it's all frayed. That is definitely no good. This center console, it doesn't latch down, and they put Velcro on to hold that, and that's just all messed up. So we'll replace that. It'll be silver to match the other one. I'm not sure on that seat belt. That one looks like it's a little bit better, but that's a couple of more things that we got to fix on here. I'll finish cleaning out the inside. That's a little something there, but that's a couple more things we got to fix. And well, I'm not sure on the seat belt what we're gonna do on that one, because it looks like this plate's gonna have to come off to get down to where it's bolted down below. It's fastened right down in there. And you can see that, and the other one down in here. So we'll take that off and figure out what we got to do with that to replace that. It'll work, but not the best situation to be in having that. But I've got good ones in that one. So we'll do that. I did figure out on the seat belt, for some reason it had been wrapped behind. They must have had a dog or something, a lot of hair. So I went and pulled them out. I fastened them in there to keep these things, they were down. I'll pull the seats out and clean underneath it. Who knows what's underneath there to get all that cleaned out. But you know, that's for another day. This is enough for today. We're going to go in and do something different now. But that's a couple more things we need to fix on here. Of course, the headlight's a little bit dull. We'll fix those. The rims aren't the best shape, so we'll probably take 2 of these and clean them up and have them. It's nice to have an extra set of spare. Be nice in the winter time to have a set of tires that are specifically for winter and put on the front. That way you get a little bit better traction rather than having the all-weather ones. I like to have winter ones, and then we can have an extra set here or something. When we get rid of this, we'll make sure we keep at least 2 of the rims and tires. The back ones on that one are about as good as the front ones on this one. So the front ones on there are kind of pretty much worn out. So we'll unmount the tires. We'll clean them up. We'll get them all painted. I don't know if I'll paint them black. I was going to paint those silver to match the car, but I might paint these blue to match the car. Who knows? Or I might paint them a nice bright silver or black. Who knows? Black would match this real well, or the blue. So anyway, that'll be another project for probably next summer. It's getting late enough in the year that I don't think I want to try and tackle that this year. Did notice the little decorative molding on here is not on this one, but I do have one on there. It's just silver. I could probably try to see if I could take that off and put it on here, or just take them off, all of them. But that's something else that, you know, later, not a big deal. The door on this one is not. Well, I decided to use the one that was originally in that car, because if you look at this one, it's kind of bowed. That's because there was stuff on top of it and it kind of bowed down. This one has that toolkit in there that puts support in the middle. So now there's support here in the middle where there wasn't on the other one. And the mat, it actually says Corolla on it. So it's mats right here. So I'll put these mats in here. And then now I've got it all cleaned out. I can start loading in. I should probably shampoo it, but it's a little cooler for that, and that may be a project I do in the summertime when it warms up. Pull everything out, shampoo it, and you know, make it look nice. But you know, you're putting stuff back here in tools, and it's good enough. So anyway, that's what the back of the trunk looks like. One nice thing, if you look, that little piece right there, that is actually for putting a car seat in. It's got a little hook in there that you can tether it to it. I don't need those because I don't have anybody that rides in my cars that are in car seats now, so that's good there. That part's done. I might go ahead and start loading some stuff in here, and when I load it, I'll show you what I keep in my car all the time. Here in Nebraska, you never know what the day is going to cover, what it's going to be like. You might be t-shirts in the afternoon. In the morning, you might be out in a t-shirt. At night, you might be in a blizzard, so you might get stuck. So I always like to have enough stuff that I can survive in my car all night long and not freeze, even if it's below 0.